How do you, and we have to be sensitive, and there's a lot of emotions, right, to investing in things that we're always sensitive to, for sure. But let's just go logic for a second. Like, what would you say to those people that are just like kind of scared to death to take any risk, and so they'll just put it in an annuity, or they'll just put it into fixed income, and like at least it's safe?
Yeah, I think it's an interesting approach. And so there's different ways to think about it. First of all, equities tend to go up about 75% of the time. And it's one of those things.
Meaning like if I took a day or like a year, what do you mean?
So to look at it like over a monthly basis, like 75% of months
are up.
Equities go up.
Dang.
And so when you see people, we see a lot of clients that are like, hey, I'm just going to wait for the market to come down.
We hear that.
And then I'm going to get in.
Yeah.
And usually that's when fear is the highest. And so people are, skepticism. We look back to April of 25 when people thought the world was going to end because of tariffs.
Yeah.
Not many people were calling us saying like, hey, I want to go all in.
More equities, more equities.
Yeah, exactly. Most of them were saying, hey, get me out.
Fear.
Because this is a time to be, being more conservative.
Yeah.
And so history tells us you should be invested in the equities market, especially if you think you're going to need it over the long term.
Yeah.
From an active management perspective, we're also trying to manage some of that volatility out of our portfolios.
And for someone out there, when you say active, what do you mean by that? As you keep going?
It means we're looking for opportunities to lean into, and we're looking to lean away from some of the risks in the market.
So effectively, a good way to think about it is you can have that same fear as the modern consumer, but your read on that is, I'm going to then take away the emotion, put in logic by saying, if 75% of the time I know a certain thing is going to happen, I probably want to be on that side. And I'm also not just going to stick my head in the sand. Like, there are active things that I can do because I'm a studier of the markets that can make it better.
Yeah. So our goal is to provide lower risk, less volatility with returns in line or better than the market.
Yeah.
And we've proven an ability to do that over time.